Next up on our journey, Ottawa, Canada's beautiful capital.
The main Parliament building is actually closed right now for massive renovation, so we kick things off with the Immersive Parliament Experience instead. It's totally free, a 360-degree multimedia show. Through stunning visuals and sound, it really brings the history and beauty of Parliament to life.
After the show, we took a stroll around Parliament Hill. We checked out the House of Commons and stopped by the famous Centennial Flame. You can even see the center block wrapped in giant cranes right now, which is a sight in itself. We also wandered past the East Block and took in some of the historic statues scattered around the grounds. From there, we crossed over the gorgeous Rideau Canal and made our way to Major's Hill Park. We timed it perfectly. The park was bursting with bright, colorful tulips. We ended our day at the stunning Notre-Dame Cathedral Basilica to take in its incredible architecture and peaceful vibe. Day 2 started at the Canadian Aviation and Space Museum. We kicked things off in the early days of Canadian flight, checking out vintage aircraft, seaplanes, and incredible stories from the First World War. A really cool highlight was the bush flying section, showing how these brave pilots connected the most remote parts of Canada.
Next, we blasted off to the Canada in Space exhibit. We saw the famous Canadarm real astronaut spacesuit and learned all about life on the International Space Station. We wrapped up the museum tour exploring military history and vertical flight, getting up close with helicopters, Second World War fighters, and Cold War era jets.
Later, we headed across the Ottawa River to Gatineau to visit the Canadian Museum of History. Walking into the Grand Hall absolutely takes your breath away. We explored the first peoples of the Pacific Northwest exhibition. Taking in the massive Hairaguai sculpture and looking up at the incredible Morning Star painting right on the ceiling. Inside the exhibition, we checked out a stunning collection of traditional masks and historic artifacts.
From there, we walked through the Canadian History Hall with over 1,500 objects. It tells the story of Canada from its earliest human history right up to the modern day. Honestly, it's an incredible place. You could easily spend an entire day here just soaking it all in.
To head back, we took a scenic walk across the Alexandra Bridge. The views from up here are amazing. We spotted the aquabus down below and the Parliament building and the Rideau Canal locks.
Back on the Ottawa side, we stopped by the National War Memorial and finished off our trip at Commissioner Park, completely surrounded by thousands of beautiful blooming tulips.